YouTube? It's your boy Malik here, back again with another video for y'all, man. And today is the day we drop off the car for it to get the cam installed, broskis. I'm on the way currently right now to take the car, drop it off. He's gonna start it on Monday morning. He's gonna start on it. He didn't tell me when he was gonna be done, how long it was gonna take, so hopefully it's not past a week, because I need the car. This is a daily. I use it to go to work and back. I use it for other things as well. But yeah, man, I'm excited. We're getting the cam installed finally. Now after the cam, we just need the nitro kit, but we might do that later on. I still need to buy some more parts for the nitro kit, like the switch panel and the module, some little module. I forgot what they call it, but basically you need it, because if not, your car like runs all stupid. So yeah, we need those parts still for the nitro kit. But man, I'm excited. This is my first cammed car. If y'all don't know, I got this car when I was 18, and yeah, man, this is my first car. Well, actually, my first car was a Dodge Dart, but this is like my first financial car, like I bought it type shit, you know, or I took it out the dealer type shit. So yeah, man, I'm excited. I wanted to run a bigger cam on the RT. I wanted to go with a Tomahawk 2.0 from FRP, Flying Ryan Performance, but I was at a crunch time, so I was just like, F it, we're gonna go with the Mark 82. If I don't like it, like in the long run, down the line, I'll just end up changing it to either a BTR cam stage 3 or the one I just said, Tomahawk 2.0. For those that will have to buy a torque converter, I ain't worried about it. But yeah, man, we're getting this build done slowly but surely. Make sure y'all stay tuned, bruh. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because this build finna go crazy. All right, y'all. So we dropped off the RT. He said he should be done before Friday. He said maybe Thursday. Between Wednesday or Thursday. One of those two. He'll be done with it. We can come pick it up. I'm gonna continue this video once he tells me that the car's ready. So yeah, see y'all.
2,000 years later.
What's good, YouTube? It's the same week, just that today's Saturday. Yes, we waited a long week for the car to be finished. He finally hit me up, told me that the car is ready. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see that I posted, my Instagram or TikTok, you'll see that I posted a startup of the car. It sounds tough. It sounds tough. It's just not tuned yet, so that's why it sounds kind of like weird too. But right now I'm on my way to pick up the MPVI device to tune my car. I am gonna have to tune it before I take it, because the car won't even idle on its own. Like, it'll just shut off, and I can't gas it either. So I'm gonna pick up that MPVI, get a base tune on it, and drive it on home. I'm gonna dyno it. I'm gonna have to dyno it. When am I gonna dyno it? Don't know, but I am. But yeah, man, that's what we're doing right now. I'll get to y'all once we pick up this device. We got a whole hour and like 5 minutes ahead of us. All right, y'all, we're on the way to the mechanic shop. Just picked up the MPVI. I am tired, bro. We're 7 minutes away. Came out of work and straight went over there. I didn't even have like the time to like take a power nap or nothing. Straight came over here, so we almost there. Finna tune the car, take it home, take a fat nap. But yeah, man, we almost there. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we're here with the car. We're trying to get it situated. get back to y'all once we get it situated. Alright, man, I'm excited. How you call it? Y'all can hear the chop. Right now, I'm gonna go pump E85. What is she doing? Right now, I'm gonna go pump E85, and I'm gonna show y'all more chopping noise. Wow, bro. I don't know. It's just exciting to me. But yeah, man, we got the car back. We can't floor it right now because it's not fully tuned. This is just a bass tune. Alright, it's cold out here, but we got it tuned. This just sound crazy, bro. On idle, it sound crazy. But driving, I'm not sure, but it sound crazy, bro. Pumping 85 right now. We're gonna take it all the way home slowly, cause we cannot floor it. Like I said, it's a bass tune. But yeah, man, we finally can. People are asking me what cam it is. It's from FRP, the Mark 82. They got good cams there. If y'all want to go check it out, frp.com. I might want to upgrade it. I'm already thinking about upgrading the cam, bro, to the Tomahawk 2.0, because I don't know, bro. I don't know. Get y'all some little idle right here at the gas station, though. Turn it on. Ah. Sound mean, bro. Yo, we got our first compliment on the cam, bro. And it was that dude right there. My bad, my windshield dirty, but it was that dude right there. He came over, he was like, damn, that shit sound crazy, bro. What you got done to it? And I just told him whatever, but our first compliment goes crazy. I don't know if y'all could hear it, but yeah, that shit go crazy. Look, we already got the vet next to us trying to race us, bro. Calm down. Not even fully tuned, bro. Nah, I'm just playing. Let me calm down. Who would have ever thought I was gonna be in a cammed car, bro? I better go car though, I ain't gonna lie. All black. You can hear that joint outside. This shit go crazy. Bro, I just realized our miles per gallon got even worse. I just pumped a full tank and we at 90, bro. 90 miles per gallon. That's crazy. That's crazy. Might as well not even drive the car no more type shit. Y'all, my heart dropped to my ass right now. There was a cop right next to me, bruh. I had to lightly press on the gas. I did not want this shit to be chopping or nothing right next to the cop. Imagine we would've got stay reft as soon as we left the mechanic shop. Oh my God, bruh. We're gonna have to put some mufflers on this, man. He told me either some Borlas, or some, what was the other brand he told me? He told me another brand, I just don't remember. There you go, Corsa. One of those two, get some mufflers. He said cut out the rear ones, and then in the middle just put the mufflers, either Corsa or Borla. That it sounds very good. That's probably something I am gonna have to do because this is extremely loud. I do have neighbors, and they are elderly neighbors, and I just don't want to be like that annoying kid in the morning, you know, or that annoying guy in the morning. So I am gonna get some mufflers, or not, some cutout valves, something to quiet down the car in the morning or around police, you know. So yeah, I might have to get that situated. Fuck Cali, bruh. Alright, y'all, so we made it home. My people seen it. They said they like it. You like it? You like it?
I like it.
Bruh. But right now, we finna head to the bank. Put in a check, you know. Let them hear it or whatever. I mean, I kind of accelerated. I already told them I could only go up to like 60. So we're gonna see his little reaction or whatever. Yeah, man. So we got the car back. If y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comments or check out my TikTok because I do answer a lot of questions that people have about the car. So yeah, man. Hope y'all hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, all that good stuff. You can get notified when I post again. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.